What will happen if all 7 billion people on Earth simultaneously jump up and down? If everyone jumps at home, nothing significant will happen. That is, nothing at all. Even we jump up and down the whole day long. But if we were to collect all people of the Earth in one place, we could very quickly solve a rather important problem: overpopulation. Probably you have heard something about us humans multiplying our numbers much too quickly. There are just too many of us on Earth. If nothing is done, soon there won't be any food left. One way of looking at it, 7 billion, this is not so much. So all the people on Earth could easily fit into a territory equal to the size of, say, Moscow or Los Angeles, for example, and it wouldn't even be crowded. Okay, let's say we all gather on a hypothetical huge platform a meter off the ground and are ready to make this collective jump. What will happen? This jump will create a truly significant amount of energy, part of which will return back to each person through their shoes, and some of which will dissipate into the environment with very interesting consequences. First, you will hear a very loud sound of about 200 decibels, similar to the sound of applause, only much, much louder. A jet engine emits a sound volume of 140 decibels. 160 is the level of a shock wave from a supersonic aircraft. The pain threshold of a human being is already passed at a level of a mere 130 decibels. 135 to 140 decibels is a concussion, 150 shock and severe injuries, and 200 decibels. At best, such a sound will simply blow your eardrums. That's at best. But basically, everyone will just die. Suppose you are only deaf after the jump. Somehow you survived. You are incredibly lucky, but not for very long. It turns out that our jump strongly impacted the planet, and in response to this degradation, the Earth will send a 30-meter-high tsunami rolling back onto shore, along with a couple of earthquakes of around 4 to 8 on the Richter scale. As a consequence, bridges, railways, power lines, and some buildings will be destroyed. The apocalypse is here. But, I must confess to you, nothing will happen. I misled you. If we were able to bring together 7 billion people and make them jump at the same time, everything would be like this.